Hey guys, let's take a look here at Chapter 2, Lesson 2. Today we're going to be talking about addition and subtraction patterns. So I wanted to include a little picture to get your brains ready for what we're going to do. So for example here, as we hop down, we're adding 1,000. Notice only the thousands place is changing. On this side, we're doing something a little different. This side, we're hopping down and only the tens place is going to change. Notice we're doing 80,525, 80,535. Oh, so only that's changing. 80,545. So when we're changing the adding 10, we're only changing the tens place. On this side, when we're looking at adding 1,000 each time, our only number that's changing is the thousands place. And then this one is going, I'm noticing the hundreds place is changing by 1 each time. So we're adding 100. So we're just going to kind of look at what kind of patterns can we see when we're adding 100, adding 1,000, adding 10, and so on. So here's our example 1. On Friday, 1,323 people saw the new movie at a local theater. On Saturday, 1,000 more people saw the new movie. On Sunday, 100 less people saw the movie than on Saturday. How many people saw the movie each day? Okie dokie. Well, let's see. It says we're supposed to cut 4 strips of paper. Place each strip of paper on each of the columns below and cover the numbers. Slide the strips of paper up to show 1,000, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Okay, so I'm supposed to slide the strips up to show 1,000, 300, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Okay, so it says slide the paper up 1 row in the thousands column to show the number of people who saw the movie on Saturday. Okay, so 2,000 people, 2,323 people saw it on Saturday because we know that 1,000 more people saw the movie on Saturday. Okay, then on Sunday, 100 less people saw the movie. So that means my 100 bars are going to go down. And we can say that 2,000, because I've got 2,000s here. 200, because I've got 200s here. 21 people saw the movie on Sunday. Okay, step 4, slide the paper down 1 row in the hundreds column to show the number of people who saw the movie on Sunday. We did that. Write this number in the place value chart. Did that. So that means blank people saw the movie on Saturday. 2,323 people saw the movie on Saturday. And 2,221 people saw the movie on Sunday. So this is kind of a neat little idea. When we're adding 1,000, we'd go up 1, up 1. When we say 1,000 less people, down 1. And the only number that's changing, if I'm adding 1,000, is the thousands place, right? Either I have 2,000s, 3,000s, 4,000s, whatever. If I'm adding or subtracting 100, the only number that's changing is the hundreds place. Minus 100 plus 100 plus 200, right? Okay, that's kind of a neat little illustration there. Example 2, Mrs. Starcher drew a puzzle on the whiteboard. The puzzle contains a pattern. Solve her puzzle by filling in the 2 blanks. Okay, well, I'm noticing we're adding 1,000 again, like I talked at the beginning. Only the thousands number is changing, going up by 1. Now here's the problem. 9 plus 1 is 10. Which means, if I look here, 78, 79, the next one therefore then would be 80,245. Okay, there's that one. And look at it, 245, 345, 80,445, 545. So that one's going up by hundreds, right? So here I have 80,525 plus 10, which means only the 10 is going to change, become a 3, and bring down the rest of them. 80,535, 80,545. Okay. So if we're filling in our blanks here, each number in the first column, here's our first column, is blank more than the number in the row above it, 1,000. So 79,245 plus 1,000 would be 80,245. Step 2, each number in the last column is blank more than the number in the row above it. It's 10. So 80,525 plus 10 would be 80,535. Okay. Each number in the last row is, so last row, rows go side to side, columns go up and down, is 100 more than the column before it. Since blank plus 100 is, okay, since 80,245 plus 100 is 80,345, the answer in the first column is correct. So that's kind of our check. Look at this, our check. It's always good to check your work. Here we go, our guided practice. 1,000 more than 3,872 means I'm only going to change the digit in the thousands place, and I'm adding 1 to it, would be 4,872. 10 less than 221. I'm going to only change the digit in the tens place. I'm going to subtract 1. So I get a 1. 211 is what I would get if I'm subtracting 10, which makes sense because if you think of 221 minus 10, it would be 211, right? Okay, complete the table. So we started here, ended here. What was the change? Let's see. 30,000, 30,000, 7,000, 8,000. Okay, so the change is, so if I started with 7 and I went to 8, I would say it is 1,000 more. Here I have 830,174, and I need to do 100,000 less. That means I'm going to look at the 100,000 place value and subtract 1 to get a 730,174. Okay. Here we go. Complete each number sentence. 36,525, 36,625. So I went from 500 to 600, which is adding 100. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now here I'm going from 98,000 to 88,000. So the digit that's changing is in the 10,000s place. That's going down, so that means I'm subtracting 10,000 to go from 98,000 to 88,000, subtracting 10,000. All right, this is the point in the video where you get to stop. If you say to yourself, Mrs. Hamer, this is good, I've got it. Thank you for showing me. Now I'm ready to do my independent practice. If you'd like some more problems, let's go. Complete each number sentence. Okay, so what digit is changing? The number in the hundreds, the digit in the hundreds place going from 100 to 200, which means we're adding 100. Let's do number 9. So I went from 63,000 to 53,000. I went down 10,000. Okay. Complete each pattern. 7,213 blank, 7,413, 7,500. I'm noticing the only digit that's changing is in the hundreds place. So therefore I know my missing number is 7,000. Well, I went from 2 to 4 to 5, 3,013. Okay, let's look at the number 13. 967, 957, 937. I notice the only digits changing is in the tens place. Okay, I went 6, 5, blank, 3. This is going to be a 4, 947. Okie dokie.